to be introduced by Leonor Alejandra Taylor.
Good evening, my flashbang station F, Ophelia.
Hello, good evening to everyone. I'm Ophelia Sanchez. I'm presently working as city health nurse in Urbaneta City.
Next is Trinidad Salihana.
Hello, good evening. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan. The lone representative from in Mindanao. I'm Trinidad Subihana Tignarisi, at present chief nurse of Maguindanao Provincial Hospital. Blessed with 2 kids, a girl and a boy. I have with me my son, Yves from Tignarisi. Salamat.
Next is Arcelia Samer Fernandez.
Hi, good evening. My name is Arcelia Samer Fernandez. I'm from San Jose, California. I have 3 grown children. Thank you.
Isa Salazar.
Good evening. I am Lisa Salazar, Villanueva. I'm residing in San Fabian. I work as a nurse in India for 3.5 years. Then I worked in Kuwait for 20 years. At present, I retired and am now residing in San Fabian. Thank you.
Next is Rita Umay Rice.
Good evening. I'm Rita Umay. I've been married to Elvis Rayos in 2 kids. Yung panganay ko po, 18 years old, babae, saka yung 16 years old, lalaki. Nag-work din po ako doon sa Libya, sa Saudi. Sa Bangalore. Yung mga nagtatrabaho dyan sa Saudi, alam ko pa rin mga salita ng konting traffic. Presently, I'm into real estate business. Kaya yung mga may lupa dyan na gustong ipapili, kaya yung mga may gustong bibili ng lupa, pwede kayo mag-inquire sa akin. Ano po, late ako nakipag-asawa, age of 40. Kaya nagkaroon din ako ng dalawang anak, 4 CS. Yun lang po. Nakahabol din.
Siya si Leonor Alejandra Benjamin. Meron ako isang anak na babae. Graduate ng Lupang College of Nursing din. Graduate din siya ng DSI. Yung isa lang siya, nasa Canada. That's all.